Hey there's Julie. I'm just going to share a quick tutorial for putting together these treat holders, and it's pretty much the same on all of these, so I decided to pick one, which is the bat. Because he's got these wings. So I'm going to crease all the fold lines there, and sometimes you can just bend them gently with your fingertips to get them started and then crease them more firmly. Sometimes you need a straight edge. I can't always see the score lines there on texture paper, so I usually keep something handy with a straight edge that I can just get them started and then crease them more firmly right after I get that part started. So now I'm just going to go ahead and flip the bat over and add some glue. I'm just using that Barely Art glue. I think that glue is just the most amazing glue for die cut pieces, tiny pieces that you want to put together. Now you don't have to put the backer inside the bat holder here, but I like how it makes his features pop out a little bit more. And I'm just going to squeegee off some of the excess glue that's squeezing out there with the edge of my tweezers. And then I'm going to grab the little tiny tooth here. I thought it would be cute if he had kind of a peachy orange tooth, and just go ahead and get that mounted there in place on the front. And when you peel away your cardstock from a sticky mat like that, you want to peel the mat away from the cardstock instead of trying to lift the cardstock from the sticky mat, because it will end up getting your paper will just get all warped. So I don't like that. So just flip it over and peel away the mat the way I did here on camera. Now I'm going to go ahead and get those wings tucked into those slits there, so they're sized to allow those tabs to go inside, and then I scooch them up to the top because I want his wings to be up there towards the top. And then I'm going to apply more of that double-sided sticky tape I love so much, and that stuff is going to anchor the wings in place. And then once you have the holder assembled, you'll have his wings kind of popping out of the sides, which is really fun. It doesn't matter which direction you fold those tabs. And then it's time to go ahead and assemble the holder itself. So I like to put all those layered parts on while the holder is still flat, and not wait till I have it all assembled. I mean, you can wait till you do have it all assembled, but it's just a lot easier when they're flat, especially if you need to press firmly. And then I'm going to go ahead and get the bottom done. And I like to hold it up like this onto my work surface so it's nice and square, and then get the back flap folded up, and then I'll go ahead and flip the bat over and get the front flap so that it tucks towards the back. For some reason, I always think things look more finished when you tuck the flaps away from the front of whatever it is that you're assembling. And there you can see he's ready to go and get stuffed with treats. I have a bundle available. You can get these individually or in the bundle. It's got 5 different treat holders that are really fun, and get them stuffed with goodies for family and friends. All right, thanks for watching. I'll have a link down below to these files in my shop.